My morning coffee was finished. The mug sat empty on the corner of my desk. I looked at it for a moment. Then I pushed back my chair and stood up. I was going to make another cup. I usually did around this time. I walked down the hall toward the break room. Halfway there, I slowed down. Not dramatically, just slower for no particular reason. I kept walking, though I wasn't moving with the same purpose as before. I pushed open the break room door. Someone was already there, standing at the coffee maker. They heard me come in. They turned and glanced over their shoulder. "What's up?" they said. I held up my mug. It was a natural reflex. My coworker turned back to the coffee maker, nearly done with what he was doing. I could still smell the coffee from where I was standing. It smelled good. I looked at my mug. Then I looked at the sink. I walked over and turned on the tap. I rinsed out my mug with warm water. I turned off the water and set the mug on the drying rack. I walked back down the hall, hands empty. Back at my desk, I sat down. My screen was still open from before. I thought about the mug I left in the break room. I could get another cup later. There was no hurry. I turned back to my screen. I didn't think about the coffee again for a while.